Why automate email replies?
Automating email replies can save you hours each week, eliminate repetitive typing, and help ensure no message slips through the cracks. With the right setup, you'll handle routine questions, confirmations, or scheduling requests effortlessly, freeing up your time for more important tasks. Let's explore how templates and filters can help you regain control of your inbox.
Understanding templates.
Email templates are pre-written responses you can quickly insert into your messages. Most major email platforms, like Gmail and Outlook, let you create multiple templates for different situations. Using templates ensures you respond professionally and consistently. They're perfect for common inquiries, greetings, or confirmations. Anything you find yourself typing out repeatedly.
Setting up email filters.
The filters automatically sort incoming messages based on rules you set, such as sender, subject, or keywords. When a new message matches your criteria, the filter can label, archive, or even forward it for you. This reduces clutter and helps you prioritize important messages, making your inbox far easier to manage.
Combining templates and filters for automation.
The real power comes when you combine templates and filters. For example, set a filter to detect messages with specific keywords, then trigger an automatic reply using a template. This lets you instantly respond to frequent requests, such as confirming receipt, providing directions, or answering common questions, without your direct involvement.
Getting started, simple steps.
To automate replies, start by crafting a clear template for each common situation. Next, set up filters in your email settings, defining triggers like specific keywords or senders. Link the filters with your templates to send automatic responses. Test your setup to ensure it works smoothly, and adjust as needed for best results.
Tips for effective automated replies.
Make sure they answer key questions and include contact information if further help is needed. Avoid overusing automation. Personal replies are still important for unique or sensitive cases. Review your templates and filters regularly to keep them up to date as your needs change.
Reap the benefits of inbox automation.
Automating email replies lets you work smarter, not harder. By leveraging templates and filters, you streamline communication, save valuable time, and reduce stress from a packed inbox. Start small and adjust as needed. Soon, you'll wonder how you ever managed without these simple automation hacks.